Have you ever wondered if stars make sounds? It turns out they do. Stars produce vibrations, which create sound waves. But because space is a vacuum, these sounds can't travel like they do on Earth. Scientists use special tools to convert these vibrations into sound we can hear. Imagine a cosmic symphony where each star plays its own unique melody. The sounds can range from a low rumble to a high-pitched chirp. It's like the stars are talking to each other across the universe. When a star explodes in a supernova, it creates powerful waves that can be heard as a deep bass note. Isn't that amazing? Some scientists even think we could use these sounds to learn more about stars and their life cycles. Just think. One day, I might listen to the music of the stars while floating in space. If I become an astronaut, I could explore these incredible sounds up close. The universe is full of mysteries, and the music of the stars is just one of them. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember that each twinkling star has its own story and sound. How cool is that? Let's keep dreaming and reaching for the stars.